If you're looking for a way to make your new home unique and stand out in your neighborhood, then wait till you see this.
They're called window candles, and they can enhance the beauty of any home, inside and out.
They sit on your windowsill, but they won't fall over, and there's no cords to plug in.
And best of all, they won't burn if you touch them. Have a look.
Placing a candle in a window has always been a holiday tradition, but today the practice is becoming more about safety, function, and decoration. A new product is making this change happen. WindowCandles, the world's first and only safe built-in window candle lighting system.
They're centrally wired in your home, so there are no cords showing. You don't have to fuss with the cords any longer. The window candles sit flush on the sill, and they are interchangeable for different decorations. You can have different color sleeves, different color bulbs, different color bases to match your home's decor.
And with the huge selection of colors and styles to choose from, you'll be limited only by your imagination.
We have 8 light bulbs, 8 different colored sleeves, and 35 bases to choose from now. So it adds up to 1,700 different combinations.
The bulbs, bases, and sleeves are interchangeable and can be easily replaced to create a different look in every room.
Our window candles are wired directly to a transformer in the basement that's plugged into a timer, so they come on and off automatically. There's no more scrambling around the house. They do not fall over because they're directly wired to the sills. And you can leave your shades down at night because the window candle doesn't get hot. It's only a 2-watt light bulb, and if you leave your window open during the summer, they don't blow over.
Since window candles are low voltage, they don't burn or shock, and the candles can be removed at any time with a small paintable cap to cover the mounting clip.
It's not a danger to small children because it's low voltage. They can actually stick their finger in the light socket and not get shocked. They can touch the light bulb and not get burnt. And there's a small rim around each one of our bases that keep it from falling over. So if they do grab it, it won't fall over.
The installation of window candles can be done during the construction of a new home or retrofitted to an existing home.
We come in right after the electrician and right before the installation. We pre-wire all the windowsills, and then after the drywall is done and the trim carpenter puts the windowsill on, we do come back and drill through the sill and fish the wires out of the wall. And then we can make our connection then. On an existing home, we wire directly through the windowsill to the basement, run all your wires back to a central location.
And if you ever sell your home, window candles are a wonderful amenity to provide the new homeowners years of enjoyment.
Because it's pre-wired into the sill, it's a permanent fixture of your home, so it does increase the value. A lot of people are looking to put candles in their home, so that would give them an incentive that it's already done. They don't have to go through the process. And any of the warranties or the guarantees that our product have does transfer with the new owner.